Welcome back, student. This is the class 12th account part 18, errors and rectification. Now, in this topic we will discuss if there is any error in the partnership, so how we will make the rectification. The rules of making the rectification will be same as you have studied in the class 11th. Now see, rent of the private house of A amounting to 750. This is the rent of a personal house. So this is the drawing. Paid by the firm has been charged to rent account of the firm. This is the A drawing, but by mistake it has been recorded it in the PL account debit side. So the profit has been reduced. So this is the A drawing. So A partner's capital account will be debit, and when you will make the correction, the profit will be increased by rent amount. So PL account will be credit. So for this rectification, you will pass the entry partner's capital account debit to profit and loss account. So partner's capital account debit side you will record to PL account, and PL account credit side you will record by partner's capital account. Now, second things, if the firm has a practice to charge the interest on drawing, in that case this is the drawing of A. So on this amount the interest also will be calculated. So when you will make the calculation of interest, that is the 750 into interest rate into time upon 12. Suppose the drawing has been made on 1st December. Rent has been paid on 1st December. So time will come from 1st December to 31st March, 4 by 12. But if the drawing has been made on 31st March, suppose the firm has paid the rent on 31st March, so 31st March to 31st March, the time period will be 0, so 0 upon 12, and interest on drawing will not be calculated. If there is the interest on drawing, then already you know interest on drawing is posted in PL appropriation account credit side and partner's capital account debit side. Okay. Now second point. Before seeing the second, we see the third point. That is the same concept of number 1. Traveling expenses of 3000 of B for a pleasure trip to UK. This is the pleasure trip expenditure. So this is the personal expenditure of B. So this will be considered as a drawing of B. So here same concept has come. This is the drawing of B. So B capital account debit, and has been debited to traveling expenses account. Now means it has been recorded in PL account debit side by the name of traveling expenses. Okay. So that is the reason when you will make the correction, the profit of the firm will be increased one. So PL account will be credited. So same here will be B capital account debit to profit and loss account, and amount will be changed on. Now the amount will come the 3000. Same concept. So here the amount will be 3000, and now because this is the drawing, So you also will calculate the interest on drawing. So on 3000 you will calculate the interest rate upon 100 into time upon 12. For example, if this amount the firm has paid on 1st September. So from 1st September to 31st March, that is September, October, November, December, January, February and March, 7 months. So here time period will be 7 by 12. And now this is the interest on drawing. So you know interest on drawing is posted in PL appropriation account credit side. So PL appropriation account buy side you will record by interest on drawing, and this is recorded in partners capital account debit side to interest on drawing. So condition number 1 and condition number 3 both are the same one and same posting will be here. Now we will discuss about the condition number 2. Second condition, repair of machinery amounting to 10,000. You know this is the repair of machinery. So repair should be recorded in PL account debit side 10,000. This is the correct. Has been debited to machinery account. But wrongly the firm has charged in the machinery account. So here the repair has not been recorded in PL account 2 side. If you will record the PL account 2 side, the profit will be reduced 1 by 10,000. But you have added this 10,000 in the machinery account. So machinery account is wrongly debited here. So machinery account will be credit 1. And PL account will be debit 1 by 10,000, and depreciation thereon has been charged at the rate of 20%. Now if you have passed the depreciation entry, now means you have reduced the value of machine by depreciation account, and this is you recorded in PL account debit side. So this entry is the wrong one, so you will reverse this one. So PL will be credit and depreciation will be debit. Now the impact will come the 10,000 minus depreciation amount. So first we will calculate the difference amount. Now repair minus depreciation on machine. Now will come the net repair Now with net repair amount, you will make the rectification. When you will rectify, this is the repair, so profit loss account should be debit, because this is the repair of machine. So here profit and loss account will be debit, and wrongly you have debited to machine account. So at the time of correction, machinery account will be credited. So you will pass the entry profit and loss account debited and machinery account credited. Now in that case, in firm PL account debit side you will write to machinery account, and when you will draw the balance sheet, in the balance sheet from the machinery this amount will be reduced, because when machinery account is the credit one. So this impact will come only on the PL. This will not come on the PL appropriation and partners capital. First you will make the rectification. After then whatever the correct profit will come, that correct profit you will record in the PL appropriation account buy side. Thank you.